This is a two-stroke Suzuki TRS, and I'm having a difficult time starting it up, especially if I park it for more than 1 or 2 days. Remove the fuel line and close it up. We're just trying to get to the float here. Now, how am I going to try to fix this, or what am I doing? I believe it's the choke circuit, because the bike runs fine. Everything else is good, except starting it up in the morning. Actually, not just the morning, anytime. Let's see if something is clogged. Typically, a carburetor, you know, it's a circuit, man. You got fuel going through these tiny orifices, and even the slightest little piece of debris can just cause you hard starting, drivability problem, intermittent problem. But in my case here of this car, hard starting is not intermittent, it's every darn time. All right, looks clean enough, but sometimes your eyes can't see those little tiny little debris, man. You see what's interesting here? This is where the choke, part of the choke, picks up the fuel from, and just right here, fuel is not seeping in there. I wish I have a really good quality camera. What I'm trying to show you is right here, there's fuel in here, and look, I have it tilted and there's still fuel in there. So what I'm gonna guess is that this is clogged. This hole, I'm gonna just pour the fuel out. This hole here is clogged. I won't be surprised, because I could totally see it already. Now, I got this little flashlight. Voila, confirm. You don't see sunlight coming from here. There it is. Okay, that confirms that that shit is clogged up, or vice versa. You can't see the light, any type of light, in this little tiny hole. Let's try blowing this out, and then we'll do the flashlight test. Just a quick little blow. You could actually see, did you see that right there? Use some wire and just chase it out. I took a little fine spring, diameter spring here, and I just unwound it out. Ouch. Got me good there. Bad idea to have a little hook, alright? That'll just snag you up in there, man. Ouch. I felt like a fish there for a second. Fish on a hook. Just everywhere now. Circuit, just a little bit. I didn't drill it. Just ran a wire through it, made sure now when you're looking in here, let me see if I could show you. That's the best shot I could get. And it's this little circuit right here with that little hole at the bottom, towards the bottom of the bowl. Make sure that is clear and it's not blocked. If you have any hard starting, I'm gonna put this back and let's try to fire it up on one kick. To let the fuel check for any leaks. Don't tell the wife I started the bike in the house. Let's see. Fuel is on, and choke. Do I need to choke? Let's use the choke. Don't back from the test ride, and it doesn't matter, like I said earlier, 2-stroke, 4-stroke, 6-stroke, all stroke, it's all good. As long as you have a carburetor and you have a choke circuit, just especially if your bike has been running fine and all of a sudden you're having a hard time starting it up. Like in the case of mine, I made sure every time that I tried it, 2-3 times, that I was having the same problem. Then I decided, you know what, first things first, I didn't even check the spark plug because it rides fine. Everything's fine, like I said, it was just the starting problem. So I figured the circuit system. Then I thought, you know what, it could only be, it could also be electrical, stator, ballast, blaster, CDI, ABC, XYZ, all those stuff, all right? But in my case, it was the choke circuit that was related to the starting problem. Hopefully that helps, man. Until the next video, I'm out.